Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm just going through what I'm going to take with me to Peru this year. So I thought it would be interesting for you guys to see how much I take with me, what kind of luggage I'm taking with me and why. Of course there won't be everything here, but that's the majority of things. So what I did is while packing I laid everything out so I can show you guys exactly what I'm taking with me. Just a quick run through. I've just put everything on here so I can show you guys. Start from the bottom, I guess. So you have the boxes. I think I have like 10 pairs. You have socks, sleeping gear. So this bag would be filled with those boxes because I always put them to the side. Boxes and socks go together. And I have a waterproof jacket. This is also a full sleeve exercise t-shirt. And this one here is joggers, swimming gears, and you have, this is a shoe washing kit, always keep it with me, some anti-bac, and also some playing cards. You have 3 shirts, so those 3 shirts we have white for the suit and 2 other more casual shirts. And then here is all the t-shirts. I'm taking at least 6 of them, majority white. And also these are the full sleeve one, those are 3. And these are all the exercise gear, so at least have like a couple of t-shirts and shorts. I have 2 pairs of shorts there and full sleeve, almost like a sweater. And then we have the running shoes, the slippers. We have 2 sweaters if it gets cold, especially during the travel. And we have the shoes for the dress. And this is finally the suit I'm gonna wear on the wedding day. Oh, I think I forgot. We have the iron as well, or the steamer. I always keep the steamer with me. It's a cheap one, so I can throw away if needed. Electronic wise, I'm taking my laptop, my headphones. This is the Insta360 camera, the small one, which I'll be using during the travel. This just a toiletry bag, and this is just some hair wax. So basically, everything will be in my luggage. Let's quickly pack everything up. 3, 2, 1, packed. That's how we do it. The bag is packed and we're ready to go. See you. Bye.